In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the LG Ultra Gear 24 180Hz best settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of monitor from LG or any other monitor of the Ultra Gear series, it's important to set it up so you get the best performance and experience possible. So to get the best performance or the best settings for your particular monitor, focus on the key areas that I'm going to go over. First, use the monitor OSD, known as the on-screen display, to change most of these. So by using the buttons on the monitor itself, you will be able to open the OSD. First, look for game mode. Inside of game mode, you will have different custom profiles that you can set up, for example, for FPS games, RTS, and so on. It is recommended to use the Profile Gamer 1 or 2, and then you can choose between using the others as well. 4. Game Adjust. Look for Adaptive Sync. This should ideally be enabled. So always use Adaptive Sync if this is available. It will eliminate screen tearing if your GPU supports it. Response time should always be set to the fastest possible. If you want a balance between screen clarity or motion clarity and minimal ghosting, then use fast instead of faster, but either of these will be ideal. It is not recommended to leave it at normal or off. For black stabilizer, usually you want that at 50 to reveal details in dark areas without washing out the blacks. And besides this, you will have the picture adjustment. This is going to be all down to personal preference. None of these will necessarily improve the experience by a huge margin, but you can cater them to your own specific preferences. A lot of people like sharp images or full of contrast, full of color, and so on, and this is where personal preference is going to differ a lot. My recommendation would be starting with 50 to 70 brightness and then adjusting according to how lit up your room is. Sharpness should be kept at 50 to avoid artifacts, but like I said before, if you like a very sharp image, then you can consider bumping this up above 50. Gamma is usually good at mode 2 or mode 3. And for more accurate colors, consider using RGB adjustments on the color temp category for RGB levels. So you can set red to 35 to 40, green to 35, and blue to 50. And when it comes to your PC settings, make sure that you use the highest refresh rate possible. So in this specific case, 180 Hz, change the resolution to the native resolution of the monitor, and you will be able to get the best experience possible. Guys, I was checking the channel metrics the other day and I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. Subscribing helps us to bring the best solutions for you. So, just like in this video, I count on your subscription. Consider subscribing to help us. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.